First game of the night. We're doing it on Omega. I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. What is this? He had a worse hand than me. He doesn't have his chat enabled. That's okay. Gamma, tribute Benton, activate Benton's effect. What do I go for? I won't have a negate though. The Benton is gonna get another Eva. Yeah. Another Eva, then I'll normal summon Eva. And then go into a Lyrilisk. And I will battle and attack. The Lyrilisk can attack as many times as it has materials. 200 per material. Okay, I attacked with an Xyz monster. Oh my god, I'm gonna go to main phase 2. Almost clicked end phase. Go into Downward Magician right here. And then into Zeus right here in defense. Tenendo. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. This is still the old man list. So this guy, 2 of this is out, and this is out. I'm probably gonna do the same deck. Same deck, just add in, throw these up, and this. And that's it. And I don't even know what deck he's playing, so that's it. Shout out to Anti-Meta Man for hooking it up with the picture there. I asked him for the picture and cool. It's actually, where is that one? What announcements, dude? It's this right here. It's the cool Yugi cool. I took a screenshot of it. It was so blurry. This is also so blurry. Oh, quick launch. I drew the forbidden droplet. So a quick launch into rocket synchron. Then he's able to activate Noctovision, since a dark dragon was special summoned to the field, to his field. He's gonna go into Romulus or something. Oh yeah, Striker Dragon. I haven't played Dragon Link for a long time. Striker Dragon's gonna add the boot sector launch. Romulus, yeah. Romulus. Okay, Chainlink 1, Chainlink 2. Chainlink 2, you got the Ravine, or no, the Lance. And Chainlink 1 was Noctovision drawing a card. Appaloosa. Appaloosa. Above the goddess. New art. Boot sector launch. Special summons from hand. Oh, he's got another rocket tracer. Do you have one here? Yes. LB. From the deck, special summon Black Metal Dragon. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. He was probably just trying to get the hang of it or something, or I don't know. Practicing on ranked, sure. The ranks are gonna get reset anyways. Oh yeah, I went up. Where was I? I went from 1232 to 1242. 10 points. Right on. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.